Let's see if Buster gets up there. Here we go. Nope, he said no.
That's for birds. Look at that pretty boy.
Here's a nutty.
Yeah, it might work. I don't know. We'll see. I don't think they can, you know, they can't get it down unless we get about 5 fat squirrels, and they might be talking about that right now. Yeah, I just don't want anybody to get hurt, but I you know, the birds won't care about it. You better look down there, and you better stay on the ground. That's for birds. Right, Shorty knows. That's just for birds.